In this video, we will try to learn how can we create this interactive dashboard using simple techniques in Microsoft Excel. The dashboard comprises of 7 charts. 3 of the charts, including total employee count experience-wise, and employee count age-wise, will give you the insights of the demographics of the employees working in your organization. The other 2 charts, including the absent percentage and performance appraisal, will give you the insights pertaining to the employee performance, and the remaining 2 charts, including department-wise salaries expense and sales and salaries growth, will give you the insights pertaining to the cost of HR. If you look at the right side of the dashboard, you can see different regulators in the form of slicers, including level, designation, qualification, and region. The specialty of these regulators is that they have the capability to filter the data of any one trade, or you can combine the several trades to manipulate the data. For example, if you want to filter the data pertaining to the managers of your organization, you just have to click manager, and you can see all the charts have been updated accordingly. Now, if you want to see the data of the managers who have master's degree, you just have to click masters, and you can see all the all the charts have been updated accordingly. In the similar way, you can get the insights of your organization's data just by combining the different regulators available on the dashboard. First, we will see the database we require to create this dashboard. The first column is employee ID. The second column is department. The third column is designation. Fourth column is full name of the employees. And the fifth column is gender. Sixth column is age. Seventh column is date of birth. And the eighth column is date of joining in your organization. Now the ninth column is the age of the employee. You can calculate the age simply by typing this formula in the cell. Service duration. You can also calculate the service duration simply by typing this formula in the column J. In column K, we have the age bracket. You can find the age bracket just by typing this formula in column K. The column K is linked with the sheet number 5. On sheet number 5, we have created different slabs to find the age bracket. You can see the vlookup formula has been used to find the age slabs. You can see the location A1 to B5 on sheet number 5. A1 to B5 means this data has been used to find the age slab. Now the other slab is the experience slab, and this experience slab is also available on sheet number 5, and the location is A8 to B30. You can see the experience lab is available on sheet number 5, finding the experience lab. The other column is number of absent days. This column will give you the number of absent during the year of each employee. In column M, we have the number of absent for each employee during the year. In column N, we have the working days, total number of working days in a year. In column O, we have computed the absent percentage by dividing the number of absents by number of working days. In column P, we have marks of each employee. In column Q, we have the qualification of each employee. In column R, we have the level of management. In column S, we have the region of each employee, and in column T, we have the salary expense of each employee. For the year 2023, in column U, we have the salary of each employee for the year 2022, similarly for the year 2021 to 2019. So this is the database that we require to create. Let us see how can we create the absent percentage chart. The first step is to select the data and insert pivot table. Now drag the employee ID in the row span and drag the absent percentage into the value span. Now change the field settings, go to the layout and print and check the show item with no data. Now go to the value field settings of average percentage, change it to the average and change the number format as percentage. Now reduce the decimal value and click OK. Now your pivot table is ready to use. The next step is to insert a new sheet and type the data accordingly. The first column we use to create a scale on our pivot table chart. In column B, we want to distribute the absent percentage chart into the 10 sections. And in column C, we want to create the values that we want to see on our absent percentage chart, and also type the low, average and high percentage as per your requirement. Now link this cell with the total of the pivot table. Click type 1% and type the formula accordingly to create the pie chart. Now insert our donut chart and select the data, click add, name the series as A and select the data in column A. Now add again another series, name it B and select the data in column C and click OK. Now change the colors of your chart as per your need and change the angle of the first slice to 270 and also the donut hole size. Now add the chart title to your chart and type absent percentage. Now remove the color from the second half of the donut chart and fill the required colors in your donut chart as per your need. Now add data labels to your absent percentage chart. Now click the data labels and go to the label options and uncheck the values and check the value from cells. Now select the values in the cell in column D and you can see all the values has been appeared on the absent percentage chart. Now add another series and name it C and select the data in column E. Click OK. Now change the chart type and for series C select the pie chart. Now again change the angle of the first slice to 270 and remove the colors from the second half of the pie chart. Now also remove the colors left and right side of the pie chart and you can see only the colors of to show the needle is available on the pie chart. Now reduce the percentage to 0.1% so that the needle can be seen accordingly. Now add a text box and place it in the center of the pie chart. Fill the gradient and also the effect to make it more attractive. Now link the cell E1 to show the absent percentage on the pie chart. Format the numbers. Now go to the analyze and add slicers to your pivot chart to see how can it change the data. Now you can see all the data pertaining to the designation has been updated accordingly. Similarly, we can create this performance appraisal chart using the similar techniques. Again, select the data and insert pivot table. Drag the employee ID in the rows pane and the performance appraisal marks in the values pane. Go to the field settings and go to the layout and print and show item with no data. Check on the show item with no data. Go to the value field setting of the sum. Change it to the average and also change the number format. Reduce the decimal places and click OK. Now your pivot table is ready to use. New sheet and type the data accordingly. Link the average of the appraisal on the new sheet and type the data accordingly. Now insert a donut chart, add series, name the series A and select the data in column A. Click OK and add another series, name it with B and select the data in column C. Click OK. Add the chart title to your chart. Type performance appraisal percentage. Format the text and change the color of the chart as per your need. Select the chart and change the angle of the first slides to 270 and also the donut hole size. Now again remove the second half of the pie chart colors of the second half by selecting no fill and add colors as per your need into your donut chart. Now add data labels to your donut chart. Go to the label options and check value from cells and select data in column B. You can also change the text angle. By custom angle option on the format data labels. Now add labels to the above donut chart. Select the data labels and go to the label options. Uncheck the values and check value from cells. Select data in the column D and format the data labels as per your need. Now select another series, name it with C, and select the data in column E. Click OK, change the chart type and change it to pie chart. Also make it secondary axis. Change the angle of the first slice to 270 and remove the color from the second half of the pie chart and also from the left and right side of the pie chart. Change the color of the needle and reduce the percentage of the needle so that it can appear properly. Now insert a round shape and size it 1 by 1 inch. Change the colors, fill it with gradient, and also add the shape effects to your shape. Now link the cell E1 to your shape and format the text. And again insert slicer to see how it works. Paste the slicer on this sheet and you can see the needle has been working and the marks has been updated as per the data. Now we will see how can we create this total employee count chart. First select the data and insert the pivot table. Drag the gender on the row span and go to the field settings and show item with no data. Go to insert and add a donut chart. Change the chart title of your donut chart. Now format your donut chart as per your need. You can also increase the donut hole size by reducing the percentage. Now add data labels to your donut chart. Format the data labels. The next step is to insert a text box and link the total of the pivot table to the text box so that the total employee count of the company will be appear on the donut chart. Remove the outline of the text box. Now go to the insert and the next step is to insert a text box and type a symbol in the text box. Click on the symbol and select Webling font and select the required symbol. Change the font size to 96 and align as per your need and format the symbol. Remove the color from the text box and also the outline of the text box. Copy the shape and again insert the other symbol. Now change the color of the symbol. Now replace the symbols on the donut chart. Insert another text box to show the number of employee count with respect to gender in your organization. As you can see, there are 178 females in the organization and 539 males in the organization. Format the labels of your donut chart. Select all the items on the donut chart and make it a group. Now we have completed the total employee count. Let us see how can we create this employee count age-wise chart. Again, go to the insert and select the data and insert pivot table. Drag the age slab in the row span and full name, employee full name in the value span. Insert the pie chart. Now format the pie chart as per your need. Add data label to your pie chart and type employee count age wise. It will show the employee count of your organization with respect to their ages. As you can see, the number of employees below 35 years are 288, above 35 years 234, and between 36 to 45 years is 195. Change the colors of your pie chart as per your need, and also show the value percentage so that it can give you more meaningful data. Now you can see that 27% of the population belongs to the 36 to 45 years, and 40% of the employee count belongs to the age group that is less than 35 years. And also you can update the chart as per your need. Let's see how can we create this employee count experience wise. Again, select the data and insert pivot table. Drag the experience lab into the row span and a employee full name in the value span. This pivot table is showing the employee count with respect to the experience. Add computation to your pivot table and insert the pivot chart in the form of a donut. Add data labels to your pie chart, donut chart, and format the donut chart as per your need. Increase the transparency level of the color to highlight the data. Also change the labels of your data as per your need. Now you can see the 18% of the employee count belongs to the less than 5 years of experience. Add a text box and also show the number of employees belongs to the as age slab of less than 5 years of experience. It shows that less than 5 years of experience, the employee count of the less than 5 years of experience is 126, which is 18% of the total employee count. Now copy the donut chart and link the other slab with the donut chart. That is the experience slab of 5 to 10 years. You can see the experience slab of 5 to 10 years has been updated in the donut chart. Change the data labels and also the uh, colors of the donut chart. Add percentage to your donut chart as we have added in the earlier donut chart. In this way, we have created two donut charts for two slabs. Now add the third donut chart for the third slab, that is 11 to 20 years of experience. Type the series C and select the data B1, B6 to C6. And update the data for your donut chart as per the requirement of your slab. Now add another donut chart to represent the data for the fourth slab. That is, the slab belongs to the experience of more than 20 years. Now add another donut chart to represent the slab pertaining to the experience of more than 20 years. Change the chart title and select the series from B7 to C7. Change the colors of the donut chart. Increase the transparency level. also add data labels to your donut chart to show the percentage of the employee count with respect to the experience in your organization. Now select all the items on your donut charts and make it a group. Now let us see how can we create this department-wise salary expense chart. Again, select the data and insert pivot table. Drag the department into the row span and drag the sum of the salaries in the value span. Now copy the data of the pivot table and paste it below the pivot table. Add total and subtract each value from the total in column C. Now select the data and insert a bar chart. Change the chart title. Type salary expense department wise. Now change it to the cylinder and also reduce the gap width. Format the bar graph. Now increase the transparency percentage to make it more attractive. Now change the number format to show the data in millions. Now add data labels to your bar chart. Place the data labels. Now we'll see how can we create this sales and sales growth chart. Select the data and insert pivot table. Drag the sum of salaries airwise into the value span. And drag the values into the row span. Copy the pivot table and also select the data airwise sales and link with the salaries expense. Also change the number format to millions. Select the data and insert a line graph. Change the chart title. Type sales and salaries growth. In millions. Add some formatting to your line graph. Add data labels. Now you can see the growth of salaries with respect to the sales in your organization. The brown line is representing the sales of your organization, and the blue line is representing the salaries of your organization. Format the graph as per your need. And we have almost completed the graph. As you have created all the charts, now you just have to paste each chart on a new sheet and arrange as per your need, as we have done on sheet number 10. Thank you.